Meteorologist Patrick Crawford, live from StormCenter 2. Brought to you by Tundraland, sunrooms, baths, and replacement windows.
Hi everyone, and welcome back. Your StormCenter 2 weather headlines are up on the screen. We've got a winter weather advisory for most of the viewing area. That's starting up this afternoon, and it's going to last into Tuesday morning. We're looking at the potential of 3 to 4 inches of snowfall for the entire area. Some isolated parts of the viewing area could see 4 to 6 inches, but it looks like most of us will fall into that 3 to 4 inch category, and that's going to come down at a heavy pace. So we're looking at low visibility and quick buildup of the snowfall all across the area, so that could lead to some hazardous travel conditions, especially for your afternoon and evening commute. We have a cold front moving through Wednesday, and that's going to bring some much colder air to the forecast as we push towards the end of the week. Some Arctic air moving in, where high temperatures likely going to be in the low teens by Thursday afternoon. But before we get that very cold air, let's talk about the snow chances. There's the winter weather advisory. That's the light blue shading that we're seeing here on the map. I guess more the darker blue shading. But notice it doesn't include the entire state. Far northern counties not included in this advisory. Far southern counties not included in this advisory. And this really shows us the track of this winter system. It's going to be moving from the northwest, heading southeast, but it does look like it's going to move over most of the viewing area, so that's why we're under that winter weather advisory. Any snow that falls will likely accumulate with the very cold air we have in place. No melting going to be happening today. 19 degrees in Green Bay, 21 in Oconto, feeling even colder as you step outside. When you factor in the winds, we've got some wind chill values in the low single digits. It feels like 4 degrees right now in Appleton. Visibilities are fine at the moment, but once that snow moves in, expect low visibilities, and it could drop very quickly. So you're going to want to watch out for that. If you're traveling later on this afternoon and into the evening, low visibility, snow-covered roads, not a good combination, and that could lead to some very hazardous travel conditions. High temperature trend. This is over the next 7 days. Our average high is 25 degrees. I think we'll be above that number tomorrow. Wednesday will be right at that average, but there's a look at that cold front that brings in the much colder air with highs in the low teens by Thursday afternoon. We've got an area of low pressure continuing to move closer to the area. It should be pushing through later on this afternoon, and that's when the heavier snow is likely going to be set up across northeastern Wisconsin. But as of right now, we're getting snow bands into the western part of the area. That's going to continue to make its way to the east and northeast. Not seeing any snow as of right now in Oshkosh or in Appleton or in Green Bay, but this snow will continue to move through the area this afternoon and into the evening hours, and it looks like it could be heavy from time to time. So we're going to go with a weather aware for today, weather aware day, all the way through your evening and early tomorrow morning. Impacting your afternoon commute, it looks very likely that's going to happen. So if you're planning on leaving in the afternoon, just be ready to take it slow and give yourself plenty of time to make it to your destination. Snowfall potential of 3 to 4 inches, with isolated areas seeing 4 to 6 inches. We could actually have some more risky travel conditions for your Tuesday morning, also into Wednesday morning, so we're going to keep an eye on those conditions, but it looks like most of the snow will be clearing out by early Tuesday morning, and then we have a slight chance for some more snow showers as we get to Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. The latest timing on Pinpoint Predictor doing a very good job. This is at 1 o'clock today, and I showed you the radar. We had the snow moving into our western counties, continuing to become more widespread throughout the afternoon and into the evening. This is at 6 o'clock, and you see scattered snow all across northeastern Wisconsin with some breaks by later on tonight and into early tomorrow morning. The latest snowfall potential from Pinpoint Predictor, again, anywhere from 3 to 4 inches with isolated areas, especially off to the west, seeing more than that, maybe close to 6 inches out in Wausau. So weather aware day for today with temperatures in the low 20s. As we look at your 7-day forecast, Kevin, more snow chances into Wednesday morning, and then sunshine but much colder air for the rest of the week and into the start of the weekend.
All right, we'll keep track of this. Keep it right here.